In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mind map with Google Notebooklm. If you're looking to visually organize your thoughts or ideas with the help of artificial intelligence, you're in exactly the right place. We'll walk through this process, keeping it straightforward and simple, ensuring that even if you're a beginner, you'll feel comfortable adding this useful tool to your skill set. Let's start by opening Notebooklm. This is your first step in harnessing the power of AI for your creative or organizational tasks. Simply navigate to the application on your device. Once you're there, let's proceed with creating a new notebook. Think of this as the foundation for your mind map where all your ideas and content will be housed. Just like a blank canvas, this is where your creation begins. Next up, it's time to add your sources. Consider what information you want reflected in your mind map and make sure to include all relevant documents or notes into your newly created notebook. This step is crucial as it serves as the material from which the mind map will draw its information. Be sure to select comprehensive and concise sources, giving your mind map the best possible content to work with. Once you've gathered your sources, it's time to let Notebooklm generate an AI overview. This feature will analyze the materials you've added, identifying key points and themes. It's an exciting moment as you start to see the artificial intelligence digest and interpret the input. This overview acts as the backbone of your mind map, providing insight into how your thoughts can be interconnected in a structured, visual format. Now, onto the magic of creating the mind map itself. Direct your attention to the right-hand toolbar of Notebooklm and select Mind Map. This is where the transformation happens. With just a click, you'll set the AI into motion, designing a visual representation of your ideas and content. It's amazing to see how technology brings your notes to life with interlinked nodes and branches that illustrate your thought processes. After you've watched Notebooklm automatically generate your mind map, take a moment to explore and evaluate it. This is the time to make any adjustments or enhancements to ensure that it precisely captures your intent. Don't hesitate to play around with the layout or organization until it fits your vision perfectly. Finally, once you're satisfied with the mind map, it's time to share your creation with the world or keep it for your personal use. You can easily export or download your mind map. This final step allows you to utilize the map in presentations, projects, or simply for personal reference. And there you have it, a well-crafted mind map born from the synergy of your ideas and Google Notebooklm's AI capabilities. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different types of content and see how each mind map uniquely develops. Happy mind mapping!